Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Miss Circle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's draw a curve down on the left, and then move over and do the same thing on the right. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw an angle over and up on the right. And then a V-shaped curve underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw two V-shapes for the teeth. And then a curve down for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move on top on the left and let's draw the eye. Let's draw a curve up and over. And then another curve up on top. And close it off with an angle at the end. And then add a small black circle inside for the pupil. And that's it for the face. Now let's move on top and let's draw the bangs. Let's add a curve on top of the eye on the top left. Then let's curve it down and over. And then curve it back up. Now let's draw a skinny piece of hair over to the right. And then one more curve down to the right. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up. Now let's hop up and let's draw the top of the hair. Let's start with a curve in the center. Now for both sides, let's bring it up. And then curve it back down on both sides. Now for the next pieces of hair, let's draw a curve up and out. And then curve it back in. Now for the next set of pieces, let's draw a wavy line down. And curve it back in again at the bottom. Now let's do another piece down in the same way. Now underneath, let's draw a curved piece. Another one underneath. And then to close off the bottom, let's draw two curves coming down, meeting at a point. And that's it for Miss Circle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!